So hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this video, I'm going to teach you how to update to iOS 26 or 19 on your iPhone. Now, before we get started, there's going to be a lot of tutorials out there. Now for this one, I'm going to make it pretty simple and straightforward. The thing you're going to need is of course your MacBook, your laptop, or your Windows PC. You got it correctly, it works on Windows PC as well. Just connect your phone to your PC and it should be looking like this. Connect it to the iTunes right there. Now you make sure once you successfully connected it, you need to back it up. Just basically back up your iPhone. Now, once successfully backing up onto iCloud or even the computer, we can now select an update. So go to this website. It's going to be the apple.com OS or iOS, or you can go straight in here. That will be developer Apple. So once you're inside here, you can now select the iOS 26 update. Just type in here, but first, of course, you need to log in on your account. Well, anyway, just need to go to iOS 26 right there, and there is going to be the update for this one. Just basically open it up and then log it in on your iTunes. Another way for you is going to be in here. This is apple.com. This is going to be the beta phase of iOS 26, and this are going to be what's going to be expected inside 26. Also guys, just a disclaimer, let's talk about the supported devices for this one. Also, by the way guys, it only supports up to iOS or iPhone 11. Let me just show you right here, it only supports up to iOS 11 or SE 2nd gen and later. Now after updating, downloading the file, click on backup here and check for update for this one, and you'll be good to go. Enjoy your iOS 26 beta moving forward. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.